welcome to Narayana IAS. Recently, a member of parliament from Karnataka accused of sexual exploitation flew out of India using a diplomatic passport. Now, this diplomatic passport requires no visa. Now, that raised curiosity among many about the diplomatic passport and the benefits of having a diplomatic passport. So, in this session, I'll discuss the different types of passports in India. Now, passports are essential documents that serve as proof of identity and nationality, and it facilitates international travel. The primary function of a passport remains consistent worldwide, which is to serve as an official travel document that certifies the identity and nationality of the holder. There are several types of passports issued based on the holder's status, travel needs, and entitlements. And which are the different types of passports in India? The first is the regular passport, which is navy blue in color. Now, this is the most common type of passport issued to ordinary citizens for personal or business travel. It is valid for 10 years for adults and 5 years for minors. Any Indian citizen who plans to travel abroad for education, tourism, business, medical attendance, and family visits can apply for this passport. It also contains a unique passport number, photo, name, date of birth, and nationality of the holder, along with the digital chip that carries the biometric data. Now, this biometric data enhances security, making the passport tamper-proof. The second one we have is the official passport, which is white in color. Now, this is issued to individuals representing the Indian government on official businesses. Now, holders include officials from the state and the central government who travel abroad for official purposes. It is designated for government employees who are not eligible for diplomatic passports but need to travel abroad for official purposes. It is important to know the benefits of the official passport holder. Now, the holders of official passport may experience simplified or expedited visa application processes. Some countries may offer visa exemptions or issue visas on arrival to holders of official passports. Now, this manifests their status and the nature of their travel. Traveling with an official passport can provide an additional layer of security for the bearer. It signals to foreign officials that the traveler is a government representative, which can prompt heightened assistance and protection if needed. The third one and the most important is the diplomatic passport, which is maroon in color. Now, this is reserved for diplomats and top-ranking government officials who travel internationally on diplomatic missions. The primary purpose of the diplomatic passport is to ensure that diplomatic missions can be carried out without legal hindrances from the foreign governments. This facilitates smooth international relations. The diplomatic passport holders often benefit from simplified visa processes or exemptions, which means you do not require a visa, allowing them to travel more frequently between countries. Now, one of the most significant benefits is the legal immunity, that is protection granted to diplomatic passport holders. Now, under the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations, diplomats are generally immune, that is protected from the criminal jurisdiction of the host country, and in many cases from the civil and administrative jurisdiction as well. What does this mean? This means that they cannot be prosecuted or arrested by the authorities of the host country for any criminal offenses like murder or, let's say, drug trafficking they may commit while serving in their diplomatic capacity. Also, they cannot be sued or held liable in the courts of the host country for the civil or administrative matters arising from their official duties. For more such informative and interesting videos, stay tuned to Narayana IAS.